In this video, I'll guide you through the process of securely attaching the PeeCock using Velcro tape and adhesive. Here's what you'll need. A 3.8 cm width self-adhesive Velcro tape, scissors, clear waterproof adhesive tape. Start by cutting a piece of Velcro tape to a length of about 4 cm. Peel off the adhesive protection sheet from the hook side of the Velcro tape and firmly attach it to the fly clip. Apply pressure and hold for 10 seconds to ensure a strong bond. Trim off the edges so that the Velcro tape fits neatly onto the fly clip. Position the fly clip on the U-tab of the PeeCock. Begin by inserting the bottom left ear loop into the corresponding opening on the U-tab. Angle the ear loop so that the bottom half goes through first. Then push the remaining portion through. Repeat this process for all 4 ear loops, moving clockwise. Once all 4 ear loops are securely locked in, the fly clip will be firmly attached to the PeeCock. Before attaching the PeeCock, shave the pubic hair in the area where it will be applied. Apply clear waterproof adhesive tape to the shaved area, pressing and holding for 10 seconds to ensure it's securely in place. Peel off the adhesive protection sheet from the loop side of the Velcro tape and attach it to the clear adhesive tape in your pubic region. Again, press and hold for 10 seconds to ensure a strong bond. With both sides of the Velcro tape securely set, you can now attach the PeeCock to the Velcro tape in your pubic region. Congratulations, your PeeCock is now securely attached. Remember to follow these instructions carefully and exercise caution, especially when dealing with adhesives. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out for assistance. Thank you for watching.